beautiful people, welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your sure plug to events happening in and around the city. And of course, my name is Abinuna and I am your special event curator. Now, the conversationalist Naana Lexis is hosting a masterclass. So today I'm here with Naana Lexis to give you more insight about her event. Hi, Naana.
Hello, Afi.
How are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
I'm good. I'm good.
Great.
I like that I'm sitting on set with you.
Ah, that's a good feeling, man.
So the masterclass. What should we expect on that day? What is it about? Let's start from what is it about, and then we go into what we should
So
expect.
it's about the 48 brand questions that you should ask your brand before you kickstart, or even if you are in the space where you're already making revenue, or you're making the results, or you're getting the result that you've been looking for. Things you should put together, the strategies you should consider, how you should make sure that your team is functioning well, they understand your vision, your mission, and are running the course with you. And so expectation is a lot of training, we'll do a lot of exercise, and then we get to network. Beyond that is the group where you have a community who are more like your support system, where you have challenges, you're able to drop in there. And it comes with a 1-year support system for you.
1 year.
Yeah.
What's in that 1 year support?
The 1 year, it means that if you're struggling with your designing, your website, any other thing that you want your business to do or your brand to do, and you're finding difficulties, you have a community that is there to say, you know what, I've faced it before. It's fine. This is how I navigated it, and so you can also do it.
Whoa, that's beautiful. These 48 questions, can you hint at maybe some 3 for us to know that, okay, this is something that I'm lacking, I'm not looking at with regards to my brand or something?
Some of the questions you're looking at to ask yourself is, what is your SWOT as a business or a brand that you're starting? Whether it's personal or it's business brand. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What are the opportunities around? And what are the threats that you're likely to face? We are looking at what is your exit strategy. A lot of brands start and only look at how we're going to make success. We don't make room for contingencies for difficult moments or things that will pop up eventually. Looking at crisis across the world or even within the area or your industry of operation. There are things that are likely to happen. Market surge. Are you ready for investment? These are questions we'll be asking you through the 48 questions. You want to ask yourself, me as a business, how have I positioned well that if 5 years from today, I am not making the full money and I want someone to come and put money through for the business to grow, it can grow. Am I keeping my books well? So strategies to how to keep your books, strategies to how to live a legacy. And not just live in the moment. Brands are starting off and then dying in less than 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Some don't even live to 1 year.
Yeah.
And it's because they had not put together a strategic plan saying that in my first 1 month, this is what I want to achieve. 6 months, this is what I want to achieve. And marking it by the book, saying that, okay, I didn't achieve it, and so what? What are the other alternative plans that I can work with? So these are things that we're going to be discussing at the masterclass and how to put it together.
You sure can't miss this masterclass because it has a lot in store for you and your brand, be it your business brand or your personal brand. Now, Naana, how many times has this event happened and what edition are we looking at this year?
This is the 4th edition.
So is it annually or?
Annually, yes, it is. We do this approximately, the first quarter of the year, we want you to be able to do the assessment of your business. Know that, okay, I am at a point where I need to scale up. Or if I wanted to scale up, what are the things I put through for the first few months of the year? And what can I really change? Recycle it and then be able to grow with your business. Yeah.
Wow. Now, when is this happening? Where is it happening? How can we get there?
It's happening on the 28th of March. It's happening at the Yota, Ghana. It's at Adregano, or those who call it Islegon, we also say, we see you. So at Adregano traffic light, to your left, it's opposite McFelix Food. So when you walk in there, you get to sit with us and then we learn together. But you may have to register, just because we want to keep the group very small and be able to attend to everybody special need. You want to register before you get in there, so we are prepared to host you.
If you want to register, do visit mx24.app/event guide or MX24 Events, and you will get every detail you need to register. There's a link there. Just click on it, and then you get to register. I have a video detailing the event and some things Naana has done. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so I'll show you that video. Naana, What are some, or who are some of the people we are going to be seeing at this masterclass?
We have people who are startup. There are people who are confused about their dreams, what they want to achieve. There are people who are also within the corporate space who want to advance. They want to grow, because we have this, for the first time, this session is going to have an HR professional in that space to talk to you about how to fit into the theme. If you have a theme in the office and if you have a team, the two are different. You don't misconstrue the two. So how do you fit in, and how do you make your strength or your weakness align with the entire group's decision to grow? And if you're now starting the business, we are talking on the fact that think of your team from the beginning of the business. Meaning, when you are recruiting, there's a requirement of the kind of people you want to recruit and how you get them on board. And at what given points do they come in, and what time do they work out? So there's a HR person speaking to that, and we have another individual speaking to us about brand development. This year, I'm a bit relaxed on the training, because I want to see what other people can bring on board for people to be able to learn. And so, yes, these are the number of things that we'll be looking at, but I will still be training on that. We're looking at also touching on my book for the 48 One Question Journal, which was released about 4 years ago and has shaped over 200 businesses who want to change the face of their business. So from rebranding to branding itself, to structuring, to having a brand strategy, to building a brand map, and then having the brand manual. So from designing, concept development, and the likes, and marketing of the brand. We're also going to work with the 3 specific strategy that we've been working with. So awareness, engagement, and sales conversion. We are going to dive into those areas, and that comes with me being at the last part of it. So if you want to be part of the masterclass, you have to wait till the last minute so that we can get the dish on your table.
Exactly. Yep. We are saving the best part of the meal. Absolutely. Or the best meal for Absolutely. The last. So if you want to be a part of this, once again, do visit us at mx24.app/event guide and register, because you have just 40 seats available.
It's 30 actually. And as I speak, about 18 is out.
So ball in your court now. Your brand needs to grow. You need to grow as an individual. But Naana, what made you decide that this is something that I want to do for people?
As being a PR person, a professional at it, and then also broadcast journalist, and having worked in space where I have helped develop certain strategies for businesses, and also went ahead to go and study brand development, I asked myself, is this the reason why businesses are failing? Is this the reason why people are not actually even considering being an entrepreneur or being part of a team that makes the win happen? And so what can I do as an individual to help shape these people and prepare them for the job front? And so the idea came through the fact that I struggle with it myself, and at the end of the day, looking at the consistent way I've moved towards my own personal brand, I can say I am a living testimony of the strategies that work. And so let's work with the strategies that I've developed over the period.
Now let's take a look at the video highlighting the event and things we should expect.
So in 2020,
For 500 CDs, you can book your slot as part of this masterclass and push your brand to the next level. It's happening at Yota, Ghana, at East Legon, or in East Legon, on the 28th of March 2026. If you want to register, I'm saying it for the 3rd time, visit mx24.app/event guide and book your slot. And guess what? There's an online package available for you too. So if you can't make it in person and you want to be online too, same mx24.app/event guide and register from there. My name is Afinuna and I was here with Naana Lexis, and we were speaking to you about the 48 brand questions masterclass, and I'm hoping to see you there. If you want to project your event on our platform, do visit us at mx24.app/event guide. Call us on 059-888-9441, 059-888-9441. See you at your next event.